Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Collaging is for the Birds. It's hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Design. And the hashtag is Nrbirdcollage. And it is so much fun. We get to do whatever we want to. It's an open collage, however you want to do it. I've done surreal. Today's not going to be so much surreal as a scene, and it's just a lot of fun to do. So I highly encourage you to check out her channel and to join in. It's also on Instagram. I post some of my work on Instagram as well. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right then. Now, I fell in love with this. I've had this for a while, wanting to use it as a background. I think I got it from one of those wedding books, and it's pretty on both sides, I must say. But to me, the yellow is just a little bit brighter on this side. So I'm going to use that. And let's see, we have got my birds. And I'm going to end up putting it on this. It's just right now I do want to do whatever cutting I need to do. So I'm kind of thinking of putting him down, kind of down at the bottom like that. And I liked this one, maybe kind of coming out, something like that. And I had these, and I kind of thought maybe something along those lines. I may cut just to tuck that in there where it looks like a stem growing up through the flowers. And I got this little deer from the Cut and Collage book that I've been using here lately, and I thought I would tuck him in behind this to look like he's walking through the woods there. So let's get started and see what we can do. I'll probably do that one last. And I already did just a light inking just on the edge, just to kind of get rid of that white. So now let's see how I want to do this. I just want him kind of meandering through the forest. So I think I'm gonna do, let's see here, because that is kind of on the outside. But I hope everybody's doing great. We started a new series. We started one, The American, or The Americans, and it seems good, but it's one of those where you end up rooting for the bad guys. I think that's how you get brainwashed with all of this stuff in our world today. They make something bad seems like it's good and worthy, and something that is good look bad. So let's so we decided to try something else, and we came across it's called Chance, and it's got the Laurie, I can't think of his first name. He's the one that played House, and we loved House, and he's such a good actor. So we're watching it, and we got one show watched, and it was really good. And we had just started another one, but my husband had to go and do some weed eating, so we'll have to finish it later. But so far it's really good. Let's see here. Bring that on out. I'm still reading. I'm almost finished with the third of the Father Tom books, and it's really good. Let's see here. I'm gonna hope I'm seeing this right. Okay, let me see how far I've come. But yeah, the Father Time books are really good. And, oh goodness, I may mess that up. I do need to get some more blades. My blades are dull, but I haven't found any. I forget to look when I'm uptown. I don't go to town too terribly much. Used to love to go to town, now I just soon stay at home. Okay. I'm going to have to go around. That. And let's see here. May end up putting other paper behind where it's not cutting well. Okay. These will kind of go. I like them to go down just a tad more. Tuck him on in there. Get your little foot in there. Where it's kind of looking like he's walking on the path behind those flowers. Like that. That's cute. But I will have to probably put like a shade or a shadow or something down there so it's not like he's floating. Okay. Maybe on this one. Just tuck his foot in there. Like that. Okay. Just like that. Let me go ahead and get this down. Alright. If y'all seen Chance, let me know. What did you think of it? My husband did. There's only 2 seasons of it, but he said that a lot of people were upset. I think it was Hulu that did it. That a lot of people were upset because they ended it so soon. And I think it came out in 2016. It was after the house. Okay. And I'm just gonna take my stuff. Oh, let me glue them down. Oh, baby, get that foot up. All right. And I think I'm just gonna kind of give a little shadow there. Just a little. Okay. There. I think that's cute. Okay. Now, this one, I think I want to kind of have it to where it looks like the, oh, let's see, where do I want to make sure I want to put it in the right spot? I'm thinking right about there. And just tuck that in there. Just so it looks like that's kind of coming, that little branch is coming out there. I like that. Okay. I'm having so much fun with these collages. I really enjoy them. And I love finding the images. I just wished I was more organized. Okay. And we've got this one kind of coming out there. So I think I'm just going to tuck this right in there. Just a little bit. There we go. Get his little tail. And this one will be the last. So I don't think I'll have any more cutting that I'll have to do. So let me get this on there. Okay. I love finding these kind of backgrounds. I love flowers and I love birds. And the two just go together. But I've been going to use this for a while, and I'm glad I found the project to use it on. And I'm just going to kind of put him right there. Oh, I'm not getting down too far. I work and I start pulling it closer and closer to me. And I like where his feet are just kind of off a little bit. Maybe just give a little shadow. just a tad of a shadow. Looks like the sun is kind of coming this way. All right. Well, there we are. I love it. I love how it turned out. And I'll just add it into my book. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag NrCollage. So until next time, bye y'all.